Right guys, we are changing the oil of a Ford Focus 2005 1.6 petrol engine, and we're using this pump to pump it out. So the inlet goes into the where the dipstick goes, and outlet goes into wherever you want to pour it into. In our case, we're pouring it into the bottle. It's a slow procedure, not fast as from the drain plug, but it works, and it's a lot less messier. So this is what we are trying to do now. So this pump is a 12-volt pump. You can plug it into the car battery to make it run, and it's the most safest way of changing oil, because if you sometimes there is a chance of damaging the engine, some oil pan, if it's too rusty and you're trying to take the bolt off. So in our case we are trying to do it the easier way. And on this car you got the air filter location here, so we're just gonna do the air filter in a minute, and then the oil filter is underneath the car. I'm gonna show you right at the front of the engine. So I'm just gonna show you where the location is for the oil filter, so that you can do yourself at home instead of taking it to the mechanics. So this is where I'm going under the car from the front. This is the oil filter here. As you can see, straightforward location for the oil filter, and it's at the front of the engine, just behind the radiator. So obviously you will need special tools to take it off. So I'm gonna show you the tool which I'm going to use to take the oil filter off in a minute. And as I mentioned that we didn't undo the drain plug underneath, because it's a lot messier. If you can do it with the pump, then that's the best way of pulling the oil out. So I'm gonna show you the tool we're gonna use to take the oil filter off in a minute.